Fish 500 grams. Oil 1 cup. Fry the fish. Fry for 2 minutes on both sides. Keep it aside. Remove extra oil. Crushed garlic 1 tsp. Ginger paste 1 tsp. 2 medium chopped onions. Large tomatoes. One green chili. Red chili powder 1 tsp. Salt to taste. Turmeric powder 1 tsp. Coriander powder 1 tsp. Water 1 cup. Add fish masala optional. Add fish pieces and cook on low flame. Change the sides after 10 minutes. Add lemon juice. Ajwain 1 tsp.